What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, Eyewitness News actually visited the prison cell of Thabo Bester, Vusumuzi Matlala, and some of the most dangerous criminals arrested in South Africa who are actually under maximum security. So, this is the prison cell of Vusumuzi Matlala, behind a steel door, no way to get out. Serious heavy silence, just himself alone inside that prison cell with 24/7 monitoring. So that's maximum security there. But despite all of that, it's really surprising, how Vusumuzi Matlala ended up getting a cell phone in there. And it's one thing that Bheki Cele actually talked about at the ad hoc committee, to say that these guys, they are being given these cell phones or whatever, they are being given by some of the correctional services officers. Those things do not just appear from nowhere like magic. They are being given to them by those correctional services officers, because surely behind that steel door, no way to get out, and somehow you end up with a cell phone in there. So there is something interesting that is going on about Matlala, and it is that the way the media is now talking about him, it's sort of shifting and changing. Initially, when they were first talking about him, they were saying a businessman, Vusumuzi Matlala, businessman. Then the conversation went to controversial businessman, but now they are now describing him as an alleged kingpin, a criminal kingpin, etc. So there is a shift in how they are describing him, and I think it's much better, because nobody knows how the business of this guy is. All we know about is those huge tenders that he was getting. I'll catch you guys on the next one.